Pluto is a far-off and puzzling planet, which was once an individual member of our nearby planetary group's family. However, recent alarming declarations by leading astrophysicists Neil deGrasse Tyson and Michio Kaku have brought Pluto back into the spotlight with a stunning disclosure. They suggest that this cold world is on a potential crash course with Neptune. But how could this happen, and what might be the results of such a monstrous event? Are we witnessing an interesting cosmic peculiarity, or is there something else to this approaching enormous crash? Join us as we investigate the possibilities of a Pluto-Neptune collision. Pluto, a former planet that was downgraded to a dwarf planet mostly due to its exceptional orbit, remains a subject of interest and study in the galactic community. According to recent forecasts by leading researchers, Pluto's orbit is dangerously close to Neptune's. Leading astrophysicists Neil deGrasse Tyson and Michio Kaku are both raising the alarm about a potential perilous crash between these two planets, which could pose a gigantic threat to Earth. But how is such an event even conceivable? Pluto's journey around the Sun is unlike any other planet in our solar system. It requires a stunning 248 years to complete a single orbit, meaning that since its discovery in 1930, it hasn't even completed one full revolution yet. The interest doesn't stop there. Pluto's path is marked by its highly elliptical shape, deviating significantly from the nearly circular orbits of the major planets. What makes Pluto's orbit even more unusual is its inclination, calculated at 17 degrees to the ecliptic plane. The path Pluto follows is much steeper compared to the other planets. This inclination and elliptical nature add layers of complexity to its orbital pattern. One of the most fascinating aspects of Pluto's orbit is its intersection with Neptune's path. For about 20 years in each orbit, Pluto actually comes closer to the Sun than Neptune, contradicting what we might expect from their positions in the solar system. This leads to the natural question: why hasn't Pluto crashed into Neptune? The answer lies in the gravitational effects of other planets. The study of Pluto's orbit began shortly after its discovery. Initially, astronomers tried to figure out its peculiar path. Unlike the other planets, whose orbits lie somewhat near the ecliptic plane, Pluto's path stood out with its steep inclination and elliptical shape. The mystery deepened with the realization that Pluto's orbit actually crosses Neptune's.